Friends don't come peacefully as I go. Look them in the face, stay at my place. All the talking I could do, you gotta throw your hands up on the 404. Or whatever, I don't sleep with no girl. I mean, really, no girl should be called a whore. I got my skills. I mean, really, no, that is all the kills. I mean, really, if it's time to rap, always remember, no need to crap or need to slap. I can see that you know me. Okay, now, we gotta check this all out from a rap artist who knows all the raps. I mean, a lot of raps he knows. Nicki Minaj or maybe Eminem. His styles, I mean, it all goes to all the 8 miles. I mean, really, how dare you want to mess with me? Looking like a star when the mad cow disease. Fake bee rabbit off the battle me. What's the matter? I can repeat anything anytime I want. I'm a rap dog, so you better listen to this. I can see what I'm rapping here, cause it's on the low, we're on the road. I got my bros who listening to this. Really, it kinda sounds like low is. And what's the matter? I told you know that the green is going everywhere on grass. Cause really, you need to get it to class. You better listen to me right now. We're going to rapper school. Don't even act like a fool. Cause rapper class is cool. Now, remember me, dog. Go home, write some stuff, never come back until you learn how to learn 8 Mile rap. Now, if you want any questions, don't talk to me. Don't even freaking test. I'll make you undress like we're rapping here. If you smoke a bong, it is so wrong. I can tell you about this. I'm getting some cash from my bash. Now we're getting somewhere, aren't we, dog, huh? Yeah, that's right. Peace out.